Okay, let's rock this bitch. I use things that maybe aren't super realistic, like scar wax, to hold up things that are more realistic, like makeup brushes. As for a renter-friendly option to hang basically anything that is a lighter weight, I go with command hooks. I really like these clear ones, but I ended up using the white ones as well. Basically, you break them off, you take the command strip off of it, place the command strip onto the command hook, and then take off the other side, which is going to be the wall side, and then place them on where you want to hang something. The thing that I'm going to be hanging is wigs on my wall. You leave them for about an hour, although I usually leave them for 24 hours just to play it safe. The absolute graveyard of sticky, oh, don't look at my foot, of sticky tags. Don't look at my foot. That's paid content. And then you hang it on. She tall. I need a hobby. Now I'm just going to mention this not because I feel like my excitement is even downplayed or overplayed during this experience, but purely because I feel like I need to share that this table has put me through so much crap in my life. I wanted to get it originally from IKEA, but IKEA was out of it, and then they got it in stock, but it was unavailable to be delivered to my location. So I ended up going into a location only to find out that they were out of stock of it, but they hadn't updated their site. So then I went to Amazon. And with Amazon, I actually ordered it twice from 2 different sellers, 2 different types of these tables. But regardless, both of them got lost in the mail somewhere. No idea where they went, but they got lost in the mail. And then finally I found it on Wayfair, and it took about a week to get to me, but now I am finally happy with it. He looks a little surprised. Oh god. They had to have known. Mother of God. Stay. Left. Right. I really feel like I should be asking them for consent here. I lied. Oh god. Alright. That worked. Okay. Ooh, crank that such on, honey. You crank that such on. I won't lie, in the moment this really felt like I was taking out a katana. Now you slowly crank that soldier, Martha. You slowly crank that soldier. Does not have the same ring to it.